Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's official app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a very safe, private place. This phrase is your only way to restore access to your funds if you lose your device or forget your password, so treat it with extreme care. To receive cryptocurrency, simply tap on the coin you wish to receive and then select Receive to view your unique wallet address. You can share this address with others. When sending crypto, select the coin, tap Send, and paste the recipient's wallet address. Enter the amount, review all details carefully, and then confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Trust Wallet makes it easy to swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the app. Navigate to the Swap tab, select the assets you wish to exchange, and confirm the transaction. Additionally, you can explore staking opportunities for certain cryptocurrencies. Staking allows you to earn passive income by holding your assets in the wallet. Always research the specific staking terms and potential returns before committing your funds. Protecting your Trust Wallet is paramount. Always enable a strong passcode and biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, for added security. Crucially, never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. Trust Wallet support will never ask for it. Be vigilant against phishing scams and only interact with official sources to keep your digital assets safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.